An Ecuadorian court has handed a gang member to nearly 35 years in prison for plotting the murder of a journalist turned anti-corruption presidential candidate. 5 others were handed hefty prison sentences for their role in the assassination. The candidate, Fernando Villavicencio, was shot dead last year. Take a look at this report.
A court in Ecuador on Friday handed down prison sentences for 5 people found guilty of murdering presidential candidate Fernando Villavicencio. The journalist and former legislator was shot while leaving a rally in August 2023. Prosecutors accused at least 2 of those tried of belonging to the Los Lobos crime gang, among 22 criminal gangs designated as terrorists by President Daniel Noboa in January. Carlos Edwin Angulo Lara and Laura Dayanara Castillo were both sentenced to 34 years and 8 months. According to the Attorney General's office, Angulo gave the order to murder Villavicencio from prison, while Castillo was in charge of logistics. Eric Ramirez, Victor Flores and Alexandra Chimbo were sentenced to 12 years. Hugo Espin is the lawyer for Villavicencio's widow.
This is an important first step. I think the country needs transparency. The country needs to get to the intellectual authors of the crime so that there isn't impunity. The only way to get security in the country is by erasing the impunity of any people committing a crime.
Villavicencio, whose journalism exposed corruption and connections between organised crime and politicians, had long faced threats. Prosecutors are undertaking a separate investigation into who requested the murder. His sister, Alexandra Villavicencio, hoped justice would continue to be served. As each of the actual assassins of Fernando Villavicencio is being judged, so should all of the masterminds and all who are hidden, she says. The sentencing can be appealed by both the prosecution and the defence.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.